Hey foodies, today we'll see the recipe for stuffed mirchi bajji, a popular street food snack that is perfect for spice lovers. For flavorful masala, first we'll take chopped onions and chopped cilantro, then add a pinch of salt. Include fried peanuts for extra crunchy effect, give it a nice mix. It's time to do stuffing for fried mirchi bajjis. I've included the recipe instructions video for fried mirchi bhaji preparation. So we'll stuff our mixed ingredients into fried mirchi bhaji one by one. Alright, now let's add some magic to our stuffed mirchi bhaji with a touch of chaat masala. This spice mix will elevate the flavor. At last, squeeze a lemon for that extra flavor. Trust me, this step takes your stuffed mirchi bhaji to another level. The tangy flavor from the lemon balances out the heat from the chilies and enhance all spices, making every bite more delicious. And there you have it, a crispy and spicy delight that is perfect for snowy days. Pair this with chutney and enjoy. Thanks for watching.